Hey, new lawyers, Jim Selbach here with some more tips to keep you out of trouble. What do you do if your client simply fails to communicate with you? And this does happen. I have a case right now. Litigation against the Internal Revenue Service, very complex case involving the dischargeability of certain tax liabilities in a bankruptcy case. And the client was on board, had signed a retainer agreement, had been participating, had been cooperating. I need documents. He was providing them to me. I needed information about the case. He seemed very interested. And all of a sudden, poof, he went away. Does not return my phone calls, does not respond to my emails. I sent him a registered letter. And it looks like he's just not going to cooperate. Now, why do clients do this? I don't know. But what you need to know is what you do. The first thing you do is you build yourself a record, okay? Every email that you send him, have a record of it. Every phone call, the date and time that you left a message, copy of every letter. And then you file a motion and you ask the court to withdraw as the counsel in that case. And you lay it out. Again, we've talked about this in another video. You really can't go into the details of any communication that you have with your client because it's confidential. At the same time, it's impossible to represent somebody who doesn't communicate with you. And of course, judges get that. So the motion goes something like this. For reasons only known to the client, he or she has not communicated with me. You don't even have to go into the details of the emails. You can say I've sent 5 emails. You can put the date and time of each email. I have left 4 messages. You can lay it out. You don't have to say what you said, because you'd be kind of delving into confidentiality area there. That I've sent him a letter. If the letter just says please call me, maybe a copy of the letter is an exhibit. And obviously you serve the client and you get it in front of the court. But I cannot represent a client who doesn't communicate with me, and the court will let you out. But build a good record. Can't do it just because they don't return a couple of phone calls, because that happens a lot. I'm talking about a situation in which they just have ghosted you. I mean, they're just gone. No matter what you do, they're not communicating. And under those circumstances, you can withdraw as counsel. And good lawyers know how to do this.